Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Harvey, your school librarian, and today I'm going to be teaching you about the Big Six. So we're going to begin with the purpose of our lesson. So our objectives are, after this lesson, the learner will be able to identify and define the 6 steps of the Big Six model and apply the Big Six model to a research project. Here are the standards that we'll be covering in this lesson. So first we have TEKS ELAR 5.13e, and for this standard, you'll be demonstrating your understanding of some of the information you're going to gather during this process. Next, we have the Common Core ELA Literacy W.5.9, and for that standard, you're going to be using informational text that support your research topic. Next, we have ISTE Standard 3C. And for that standard, you're going to be curating and organizing information. And you're going to be using lots of different methods to create collections of resources. And again, you're going to use that to demonstrate your understanding of the research topic. And then lastly, we have the 2018 AASL Learners A.4.2. And again, this standard is basically where you're going to be using information and identifying possible information resources for your research project. So in closing, for the standards, all of these standards really do focus on identifying and using sources of information to demonstrate understanding of your research project or topic. All right, so now we're getting to the good stuff. So what is the Big Six? So the Big Six is a research process made up of, you probably guessed it by now, 6 steps. These 6 steps will put important information literacy skills into practice, and they will guide you in the process of finding, using, applying, and evaluating information in order to solve an information question. And then on the right here, you can see I have a visual of the Big Six research process. I'm not going to go into each step at the moment. I'll be doing that in a later lesson, but it is a good visual to show you the 6 different steps of the process. All right, so now that I've given you a brief introduction to the Big Six research process, you do have a pre-assessment you're going to complete. It's made up of 5 questions, and I do want you to know that this isn't for a grade, it's just for me to see what you already know and understand about the Big Six research process, and it'll help me to understand what I need to teach y'all or what you might already know, and I don't need to go over that. And because I'll be using that for this reason, it's really important that you do your best. All right, so to conclude this lesson, I've now given you a brief overview of the Big Six. Remember that it's a 6-step process that you're going to be using for your research project. And in our next video, I will be giving you some more information about each step so that way you can deepen your understanding. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to take your pre-assessment.